Welcome back to Travixio King. Choose one button, but choose wisely. Neon, rainbow, gold, lava, chemical, grave, alien, liquid, ice. Only one button can change your luck. Before we start, subscribe to Travixio King for more fun. Choose one button challenges. Choose your ice cream. Did your button give you a sweet reward? Choose your castle. Would you live here forever? Choose your bedroom. Dream room or nightmare. Would you rather? 1 like for a PS5. 2 subscribe for an Xbox. What are you choosing? Level 2. Things are getting even harder. Choose your toilet. Luxury or a funny surprise. Choose your bounce house. Would you jump in? Choose your perfume. Does it smell amazing? Choose your bag. Stylish or strange? Would you rather? 1. Eat this maggot hot dog. 2. Comment your favorite food. Be honest, what would you choose? Choose your hot dog. Would you take a bite? Choose your phone. Lucky choice or bad luck? Choose your gaming chair. Comfort level 100. Choose your toilet paper. Hopefully you picked the right one. Choose your bathtub. Would you relax here? Choose your slide. Ready for some fun? Choose your shoes. Perfect fit or not? Choose your cake. Delicious reward or ugly surprise? Choose your dressing. Would you wear it? Choose your ring. Jackpot or disappointment? Choose your glasses. Do they match your style? Choose your teddy. Cute or creepy? Choose your car. Did you save the best reward for last? Challenge complete. Which button gave you the best rewards? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe to Travixio King, and turn on notifications for more Choose One Button challenges. See you in the next video.